friends and neighbors, and welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a little bit of house cleaning, and I'm going to be switching things up for the upcoming fall season. I'm going to switch out our bedding and change our duvet cover to something that's a little more fall related. The weather has been so nice where I live. It's really starting to feel like autumn. The days are starting to get cooler and a lot of rain. That's usually a sign of fall here. Now, I'm really not sure if this is the standard way you change a duvet cover, but I'm going to show it just in case it helps somebody out there. When we first got a duvet, I tried to just kind of shove the duvet insert into the cover, and it did not work out very well. And then I found this technique, and it helps tremendously. So basically what you do is you turn your duvet cover inside out and lay it on your bed. I usually put the zipper part down to the foot. Then you put your duvet insert on top and tie all your corners. And we're going to roll it up like a burrito. You kind of just flip it inside out, if that makes sense. Hopefully you can tell what I'm doing here. And then just shake it out, and it falls right into place. Easy peasy. dishes when I was doing the laundry. So it's washing with a load of clothes right now, and I'll put it on later after it dries. Another place I'm going to focus is the dining room. I'm going to change out my summer tablecloth and wash all the chair covers. And I also think I'm going to switch it up. I like to change around my furniture. Usually with the seasons, I don't really change the living room furniture until Christmas time, and then I'll move it around for the Christmas tree and stuff. But I do think I want to switch up the dining room, and I'm just going to flip the dining table around to a different direction. Found this tablecloth on Amazon, and by the picture it looked like it was orange and green, so I thought it would be perfect for fall, and it still is, but you can see that there's also some really pretty red in it, so I will probably also use this for the Christmas season too. And then for my centerpiece, I'm just going to add some leaves and a few little pumpkins, nothing too fancy. I'm going to dust the mantle and the top of our little fireplace here and set out some fall decorations. I don't think I'm going to put out the Halloween decorations just yet. Probably 1st of September or so I will. But I am going to put out a couple of fall things. And I had to move this fireplace over. I don't know how, but somehow it got very off kilter. And it was not centered. have to change out our tart. I found, I believe it was sugared pumpkin, and it was Better Homes and Gardens tart, and I found it at Walmart, but it smells wonderful. I'm gonna grab my cleaning bucket. This used to be a toy bucket. It came with like little bath toys in it for my daughter, but I now use it as a cleaning bucket instead of throwing it away. But I'm going to fill my bucket up with warm water and Dawn dish soap, and I'm going to use it to clean the doors. It's amazing how dirty they get, and sometimes you can't even really tell it until after you clean it and you're like, huh, that looks a lot better. This china cabinet belonged to my grandmother, and I've just got a mishmash of things that I like. There's like a dining set that me and my husband bought when we were dating before we even got married many years ago. We found this at a second-hand store. And then these little salt and pepper shakers, the little lady and me, and they belong to my grandmother as well, and I keep them in there. And then this is my eggnog set. I keep it out all year long. I don't pack it up for the holiday season. I love it, and it's so pretty, and I just keep it in my china cabinet. It's a little bit of Christmas all year. And real quick, I'm going to switch out my sign in my kitchen. This was a gift from some friends last year, and it's got all sorts of signs. At least one for every season and every holiday. And I just switch them out throughout the year. It's always changing. So I will switch it over to Hello Fall. Since my chair covers are washed and dried, I'm going to put them back on real quick. And that'll be it for today. It's amazing how little changes make a big difference. You don't even have to do anything really major, and you really change the atmosphere of the house. Just the little bit I did today, it really feels like fall in here now. I want to thank you so much for watching and visiting with me, and I hope you enjoyed this video and maybe got a little bit of cleaning motivation out of it. If you did, please like and subscribe. I appreciate it so much, and I will see you next time.